He's been gone for a while, longer than he ever planned. Life pulled him into a new chapter, a move to a quiet home in the countryside, where boxes piled higher than the miles on his bikes. This year, the engine stayed mostly silent, waiting. But last fall, something special joined the garage. A 2022 MV Agusta Turismo Veloce Lusso. Brand new, fiery, elegant. A machine that looks fast even when it's standing still. And now, at last, the moment returns. A chance to ride with his younger sister and her partner, both on razor-sharp super sports built for speed and adrenaline. 3 riders, 3 styles, 1 road. From the rolling curves of the Adirondacks to the shores of Lake George and back home through the green veins of Vermont, this is their weekend. A small adventure, a long-awaited reunion with the road, and a story he's finally ready to share.
Hello, hello.
One, two, go! Twist the wrist! Hold the line! Adirondacks style! Jérôme on the MV Turismo Veloce gleam, Marie Chantale behind me, ZX in the beam, Alexandre Repsol CBR a red machine. We cut upstate, morning like a knife through a stream, past the map line, past the cold steel gate, Canada to USA. We don't even hesitate. Cherry red tail light, long road in our side. Lake George calling, we just keep it tight. Jérôme, close the ride, twisties in the black, twisties in the black. We lead and we don't slide. Alex, lead the pack, Marie Chantale, fly. Lake George in the black top. We own this mountainside. Hairpins bite hard, but we bite harder back. Stone walls, pine trees, and the whole route snaps. Marie Chantale laughing in the mirror flash. Alex takes the front end, the whole line crashes. My MV stays classy, smooth with a savage heart. I chase that Repsol. Every turn, every yard. Got a Adirondacks echo, under helmets all steel. 3 machines, 1 thunder, 1 fast steel. Past the map line, past the cold steel gate, Canada to USA. We don't even hesitate. Cherry red tail light, long road in our sight. Lake George calling, we just keep it tight. Alex, lead the pack, Jérôme, close the ride, twisties in the black, twisties in the black. We lead and we don't slide. Alex, lead the pack.
Deep in the Adirondacks, the trio snakes through endless curves and towering pines. Nature is majestic, the ride is smooth, everything feels perfect.
the dawn, Marie Chantale on black, Kawasaki gone. Alex pulls up clean, CBR and Repsol flame. Jerome's got that Italy MV Agusta name. The tires bite hard on the open gray. Upstate New York takes us all away. North wind in our face, no brakes, no sleep. She says Highway 9 and is where it peaks. We lean into gold, we chase that raw. One more mile, then we want more. Ride, 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 ride. We don't look back. Ride, 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 ride. On the narrow black, Marie Chantale leads Alex close behind. Jérôme on the Veloce, we vanish in the line. Ride, 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 ride. Up to Lake George. Ride, 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 ride. Let the road get loud. Out, 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 out. Black Kawasaki shines like a midnight knife. Repsol orange snaps through the rush of life. That Italian beauty sings through the bend. Jérôme grins wide at every end. The sister says it again with a laughing pride. Highway 9 is the greatest ride. Guardrail flashing pine, quick hand, steady weight. Every curve says stay, every street says race. Dust on the boots, sky on the skin. We chase that sound and we die back in. Ride, 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 ride. We don't look back. Ride, 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 ride. On the narrow black, Marie Chantale leads Alex close behind. Jérôme on the Veloce, we vanish in the line. Ride, 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 ride. Up to Lake George. Ride, 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 ride. Let the road get loud, out, out, out.
Oh, you're from Quebec?
Yeah.
Very good. We have another friend from there. Yeah.
Finally arrived at Lake George at the Detour Motel. Warm welcome from the Pakistani owners. And guess what? The owner is a huge Itchy Boots fan. Shukriya.
Would you like to fill this in for me, please?
Sure. Fine, what's up?
They had dinner at the Monte Cristo with perfect seats for the fireworks. After a peaceful night's sleep, they hit Vermont's roads again, heading back to Quebec.
Night on Lake George, chrome still wet. Helmet off, breathe that we ain't done yet. Adirondacks dark, campfire red. Two wheels idle, then we break ahead. Pack that line, feel that pull. Green hills calling, make it full. Clouds roll low, sky goes gray. We ride Vermont, Homewood, May. Green valleys of Vermont, green valleys of Vermont. Keep rolling, keep rolling on. Rain is coming, baby. Rain is coming, baby. We ride till the
Sometimes when you live a good life, life rewards you. Then, bam! Calimoto throws them onto a gravel road. Jérôme is over the moon. While the two super sport riders look like they're questioning every life choice that led them there. Before they left, the forecast swore there'd be no rain, not a single drop. So of course, nobody packed rain gear. And since Jérôme wasn't on his adventure bike, he didn't have his usual rain gear either. Then the first raindrop hits, and all three of them just look up like, "Really?"
Too fast, dark sky came down on glass. My jacket sucked through first, your laugh cut through the curves. Water in the cuff, hands numb but we don't stop. Chain got that hung with sound, tires chewing on the ground. No on gear, no clean plan, just two wild hearts in the cold right hand. Shiver hits, then we lean, headlights cut the silver screen. Riding in the rain, riding in the rain, freeze down to the bone, still we ride home. Riding in the rain, riding in the rain, hold on tight baby, we're not done tonight. Eyes are blurred by the storm, mile by mile we keep our form. Mud on my boots, wet steel, but I love the way this feels. Your shoulders shake, I know, still you grin and tell me go. Thunder rolls over us, we turn fear into rush. No on gear, no clean plan, just two wild hearts in the cold right hand. Shiver hits, then we leave.